the next type of question. In this question they have given the second and seventh terms of an AP are 10 and 45. Find the 10th term. Solution. So the second and seventh term of AP, as we all know, that is AP, and we all know that AP is represented by Tn. So we all know that AP is represented by Tn. So what is the formula for nth term of AP? That is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. This is the formula which we are going to use in this question. Now second term and seventh term. So what is the meaning of second term? Second term means the T second term. So it is T2. So second term is given by T2, that is equal to 10, and the seventh term is given by 45. Seventh term they have given as 45. So I'll write T7 is equal to 45. So T2 is equal to 10. So what is the formula for nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. So T2 means what? Wherever n is there, we have to substitute 2. Because Tn, so in place of n, we have to substitute 2. So what we will get when we substitute this 2 in place of n? A plus 2 minus 1 D is equal to 10. A plus 2 minus 1 D is equal to 10. So this is nothing but A plus 2 minus 1 is 1 D is equal to 10. So this becomes the first equation. In the same way we will solve. So T7 is equal to 45. So in place of n I am going to substitute 7. So A plus 7 minus 1 D is equal to 45. So this is nothing but A plus 6D, that is equal to 45. So this is the second equation. Now we already studied this type of equations to be solved in factor and remainder theorem. So these two equations we have to solve by simultaneous linear equation. So first I will write this first equation, A plus 1D is equal to 10. Second equation is A plus 6D is equal to 45. Now how to solve simultaneously these two equations? This is the first equation and this is the second equation. First you have to check which variable has same linear coefficient. Which variable has same coefficient. Now D, if you check, it has, this is 6 and this is 1. So you cannot cancel this 6D and 1D. But if you check A, the coefficient of A here is 1 and here also it is 1. So both are 1, so we can cancel A. So to cancel A, both are positive, we have to change the signs. So plus become minus, and plus become minus. That means we are subtracting both the equations like. So A minus A will cancel. 1 minus 6 gives you minus 5D. 10 minus 45 gives you minus 35. So what is D? D is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 5, because multiplication becomes division. So this minus will cancel, 5 7s are 35. So D is equal to 7. So this is the first value which we have calculated, D. Now we have to find out what is A. Substitute this D in any one of the equation. Substituting D is equal to 7 in equation 1. What do we get? A plus 1 into 7 is equal to 10. So I am substituting in this first equation. So A is equal to 10 plus 7 becomes minus 7. So A is equal to 10 minus 7 is 3. So we got A, we got D. We can find out now what is 10th term. They have asked what is 10th term, no? So to find 10th term, you should know what is A, what is D, and what is N. Because the formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. And we have to find the 10th term. The formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So we must have to find the 10th term. So T10 is equal to A. What is A? 3. What is N? 10. Minus 1. What is D? We have calculated 7. So that is 3 plus 9 into 7. That is equal to 3 plus 63. Answer is 66. So T10 is equal to 66. So the 10th term is 66. This is what they asked.